In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and download your audio from Audiomass as MP3, WAV, or FLAC. First, open your browser and head to audiomass.co. Once the page loads, bring your sound into the editor. The easiest way is to drag and drop your audio file right onto the page. If you prefer, you can also use the on-screen option to load a file from your computer. Give the site a moment to process the audio. You'll see the waveform appear, which confirms your track is ready to go. When your audio is loaded and you're set to export, look toward the top of the interface and open the File menu. From there, choose Export or Download. This opens the export panel where you'll set the final details for your file. Start by changing the file name to something clear and memorable. A good name makes it easy to find later, especially if you're creating multiple versions. Include a version or format tag if that helps you stay organized. Next, choose your format. MP3 is a great choice if you want a smaller file that's easy to share and upload. WAV is uncompressed and ideal when you need the highest fidelity, though it creates larger files. FLAC is lossless like WAV, but uses compression to save space, making it a strong option for archiving or high-quality listening. Pick whichever fits your needs. Now tweak the export settings. For MP3, you'll typically see a bitrate option. Higher bit rates like 256 or 320 kbps give better quality with larger files, while 128 kbps keeps the size down for quick sharing. For WAV and FLAC, you might see choices for sample rate and bit depth. Keeping the sample rate consistent with your original file, such as 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz, usually preserves quality without unnecessary conversion. Choose stereo or mono based on your source. Stereo keeps the left and right channels as recorded. If you're not sure which setting to adjust, the defaults generally work well, and you can always export again with different settings. Once everything looks good, click Export. Your browser will process the file and start the download. Watch for the file in your usual downloads folder and give it a quick listen to confirm it sounds the way you expect. If you want a different balance of quality and file size, come back to the export panel and try another format or setting. That's all there is to it. Upload your sound, open the File menu, rename it, choose your format, fine-tune the settings, and export. Thanks for watching and enjoy your freshly exported audio.